Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Today I just want to do a little, what are we going to call this? A little spring cleaning, okay? We're going to clean out our budget planner. And what I'm using right now for April is this, what is it? Colorful Leopard. I forget the name. This is from the new spring release for the Happy Planner with some coppery rose gold discs. All right, so what I want to do today, you guys, is I want to clean up my budget planner. And what we're going to do is we're going to transfer it to this planner here. This is an oldie but a goodie. I think this was part of the Life is Sweet line. I think I was pretty new to the Happy Planner then, so but we're gonna transfer it here, okay? And I added the extender plastic black discs because I am guessing this baby's gonna get really chubby. All right, so let's clean this up. I have the name here, the cover page. We have the whole year at a glance here. So what I did is I added my these little calendars. They were actually the wrapper or the the packaging to the desk calendar for the Happy Planner. So I was able to keep 6 months, and as you can tell, I just check my paydays here. Now this is from the Budget Mom, so I'm gonna keep this here. So I just write a couple of little things every month, you know, just to inspire me. This right here, I haven't really worked on this, but I just started at least doing the HOA trash and sewer, and that is every 3 months. So I'm gonna do other things, but I have to go and take a look at other bills and stuff. So for the stimulus checks, I am doing my little breakdowns here. And this section here, let's see, let me clean this up. Talking about cleaning, let me put this away. All right, so now this section, it's for my trackers. So let's see what we can get rid of over here. So this page, I'm gonna keep it. This is my 52-week savings challenge. So we're just starting in April. So now I have to do April here. This one I didn't do. This was back in November. And I think out of this, you guys, I'm gonna take away the flower. Because last year I did another flower and it was really cute. And this one I'm just not, I messed up on the numbers too. So we're just gonna get rid of this one. Put it aside and just keep the tracker here. For this is for my 26-week savings challenge. We'll keep the 10% savings tracker, the $1, the $2, and the $5. This is from the Budget Mom, free printable. Oh, actually, all of these are, yeah. Now this section here, I'm not gonna show it to you because it's my monthly calendar. And so I just keep track of all of my appointments and everything I have to do throughout the month in regards to appointments here, okay? But this right here, let me see. So this is the end, or yeah, like the last page of all these printables here. So we'll keep that. But this one, this can go. This was for March. Now, let's see here. Do I need to save anything here? I finished, you guys. I finished all of my months. Okay, so this we don't need here. Let me see. No. Okay, so let me take this. And it's gonna go with this right here. Let me see. Oh, right here. Okay, so that can go. Now, because we're in March, no, we're not in March, we're in April. Okay, so February, I finish, look how pretty this is. Okay, so I close my month, finish everything here, and that's all I have left. So this is gone. All right, so this section here, it was for my nose bend. Okay, so this can go as well. All right, so now we can keep March, April, and May. Okay, so let's see here what I can get rid of. So I closed my month already, you guys. I did all of my cash. Oh, okay. Now I think I'm gonna have to get rid of this right here. Keep paycheck, cash and sinking funds, and this right here. And I think I'm gonna get rid of this one too. Yeah, this was for March. Yeah, all right. So this was my, all right. So now this one's right here. Let me show you. These are the weekly expenses that come in the Savvy Saver and the Know Your Worth from the Happy Planner. But instead of using those, what I'm doing is I'm adding another section from another planner, and I'm keeping track of this. I'm gonna leave you a video up here so you can take a look at this, what I did here, and how I'm keeping my weekly expenses here. All right, so we get rid of that, and I'm gonna take this one. I'm not using this for notes, so this can go. All right, this can stay, this can stay, and now we're starting here. Let me take this. All right, so we set up the month for April. And because I haven't gotten paid yet, I haven't done any of the budget setup yet. So I just added a sticker. All right, so now this right here, let me move it. This is the cash envelope and sinking funds breakdown, or stuffing actually, for my husband's first paycheck in April. So we are gonna move that, and because we already know we're not using this ones, I'm gonna take that paycheck 2 and take that. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna try to work on this right here, but anything else here, I think it's gonna have to go. Yeah, this weekly expense trackers here, I'm not using them. So, and because they're not dated, you guys, I'm not too worried. I can always use them. See, there's no dates anywhere here, so they're not gonna go to waste. I can always use them for something else. All right, so I didn't do this one yet. Oh, and I already have my numbers for February and March, so I'm gonna add them here. I forgot. So let's keep this too. Why do I have an expense, weekly expense here? Hold on. Oh, because it's attached to the savings tracker and the challenge. Okay, so we can leave that there. Like that. Now for April, let me see what we're doing here. So this section here, this is gonna be my expense tracker. So I can do my daily expenses here. And we keep that. Keep that, and keep that, and then we move on to May. I have May, and you know what, this folder, I'm not using it, so I'm gonna take it. Take that. Now let me add the sinking funds here. So now I don't know where this is gonna go, you guys, because this one, it's not my paycheck, so I think, but it's paycheck 1. I think I'll just leave it back here, and we'll figure it out later. And I'll just, I don't know, I'll plan on that. So that's it, you guys. I cleaned my planner. It's still a good size right now, and you know, as the month goes on, I'll keep working on it. All right, so I think this is clean. So I took, let me show you what I took out of it. I took all of this out of the planner, you guys. That's a lot. So now let me transfer this to what I'm gonna keep here. So let's see. I am not keeping this here. So we're just gonna keep what we worked on and save all the pages that we didn't use. Okay. So we're gonna save all of this, and I'm gonna put them back with the blank planner. So let me just add here. This month. Okay. This disc are so big, you guys, but I'm pretty sure that they're gonna get pretty full by the time I'm done. Okay. There you go. And we are finished here. So everything here is finished. And so this is going to be for storage, and this is going to be the planner that I'm working on. All right. This looks so weird, you guys. This is so big. But eventually it's going to get full. Because if you think about, you know, this month, this is April, this is March, April, and May. So I'm pretty sure this is going to get full. All right, you guys, so this is my spring cleaning, kind of, for my budget planner. I just need to, you know, make sure that every month I just take whatever is finished or I'm not using and put it in the storage planner right here. Let me know how you're keeping your planner, you know, under control, because with everything that we do throughout the month, I'm sure, you know, it gets really thick and all these things. So for now, let me see. For now, I took quite a bit, you know. So this is what I'm just gonna put back into storage, and if I use it, fine. If not, you know, we'll just save it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.